Hi everyone, welcome to the first ever episode of Pokemon Go here. And we're playing in Brockton, Massachusetts, the city of champions, here at the east coast of the United States. And you can see I'm close to their town hall here. Let me see exactly what this stop is. This is called the Memorial of Thomas Alva Edison. To commemorate, when you tap it, it can actually show you exactly what it's commemorating. The Memorial of Thomas Alva Edison, to commemorate the 1883 election of Brockton, Massachusetts, commencing the illumination of America. And you can see it on the map. So we're going to go ahead and actually spin this and grab a couple of things. Ooh, too many Pokeballs there we got. I'm going to go ahead and tap on this other one here. Too many Pokestops here. And this is the Brockton City Hall sculpture. So you can see we're pretty close to the City Hall of Brockton. We're going to go ahead and spin it too. We're getting some goodies from it. And there's a gym here. Let's also go ahead and interact with it. That's the Brockton City Hall. There's a gym to it. We got the gym badge out of it. We got some Pokeballs and a bunch more stuff there. So what's going to happen? You could see this is the City Hall of Brockton here. You could scan the Pokestop if you go close to it, but I'm actually not going to do that for today since this is our first episode. But you could see the people leading in this gym, or the Pokemon in this gym. We could actually have a battle with these ones. They don't look really good. One of them is actually having half a life and the other one is over there having a full life, but we could actually go to battle with these ones. But I'm not here to butter today. I'm here to capture my first Pokemon in this episode. And I see around me only two Pokemon. Only two Pokemon. There is two, which is exactly the same. This guy here, and this is called the Bagmite. But I'm not going to catch the Bagmite. Let me see exactly who else is here. I see this guy right here is called the Swinub. So we could either catch the Swinub, which looks kind of cute and he's kind of blind. We could capture this guy right here. Let's fast feed him for a little bit of an incentive there in order for us to be able to catch him. That was the worst throw in the entire universe. I don't know how I did that, but let's see. I knew it was going to break out because that was really bad a throw. And that was kind of better this time around. And let's see if we captured him. You could see the snow in the background, meaning we're in the middle of winter here in the East Coast. If you live at the West Coast, we hate you guys because you have good weather. So it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead. He's actually testing me because I'm throwing one ball after the other. And you can see the Christmas decorations around us. You can know it's Christmas time. And we've captured this guy. So we're going to go ahead and register him to the Pokédex. And we're going to go into the Pokédex and actually read a little bit about him. So it's called the Swinub. We're going to go ahead and register him in my Pokédex. And I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the Pokédex and look up Swinub. Let's see exactly what he looks like. And there he is, guys. His Pokédex number 220. And you can see the picture there. He walks in the ice and the ground, which just makes sense because right now we're right in the middle of the winter. If you scroll down in the Pokédex, actually let's tap on him to see what other evolutions that he has. Because most of the Pokemons actually go through 3 or 4 stages of growth. And you can see the statistics there, the HP, attack, defense, special attack, special defense, and the speed. He's pretty slow and he doesn't have a lot of special stuff going on. It rubs its snout on the ground to find and dig up food. So it's kind of like a pig kind of thing. It sometimes discovers hot springs, and if we go into the other version, we could say if it smells something enticing, it dashes off headlong to find the source of the aroma. That's good. So this guy loves food, and his height is about 1 foot and 4 inches. He's a pig. See, I was right on the target. He's a swine. And he could weigh up to 14 pounds. He could be male or female, oblivious, and snow cloak. So he loves the snow type, ice and ground. And the weakness is steel. So he doesn't like steel. He doesn't like fire, grass, water, and fighting. No, he doesn't like steel, but these other ones are actually his strength. So we could see what he is when he develops. You could see his original form is Pokédex number 220, which we've just captured right now. And you could see right now, if he actually evolves a little bit, he's a Piloswine. So he's a swine. You can see he has a little bit of teeth in there going on, and he grows into a Mamoswine. This is really huge, and let's exactly see what it looks like. This is a Mamoswine. This is what he grows into. And on this channel, we're going to be drawing them actually. So we're not going to draw the first one. We're going to draw him fully evolved like this in a Mamoswine, which is Pokédex number 473. I was gonna say 37, 473. And there you go, guys. You got it. When Brockton, the city of champion. This is where I've caught our first ever in this episode, and it's called a Mamoswine. This is what he looks like. And we'll go ahead and come back with the next episode in which we're going to be actually drawing him. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And we're just starting out this channel. We're still young, but we hope to grow with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.